Use FC01 to repair the true tone of 13Pro-15PM with original screen operation guide. Touch IC data is not modified. Precautions. 1. There is a limit on the writing times of display MTSN of 13Pro/PM, 14Pro/PM and 15Pro/PM, usually 3 to 5 times. If writing times exceeded, the screen may be damaged. 2. The screen of 14PM is either Samsung screen or LG screen. If the original screen is Samsung screen, LG screen is no substitute for Samsung, because motherboard of the phone can't recognize screens of two manufacturers, and vice versa. 3. Buckling receiver FPC is necessary for true tone test, and ambient light code needs to match with the original one. 4. Need to copy touch IC data of the former original screen to the new screen before installation. True tone will be displayed even if IC data is not copied, but screen pop-up window will appear. True tone is not displayed after the screen of mobile phone is replaced. Let's repair the true tone. 1. Standalone operation. Connect the device. Buckle the former original screen on corresponding position. Click Read. The device will back up SIS-CFG file automatically. Remove the former original screen. Buckle the new screen on corresponding position. Click Write. Wait for writing to be finished. 2. Online operation. Connect the device. Buckle the former original screen on corresponding position. It is displayed that screen is connected on the platform. Click Read Data. The platform will read and save the data of the former original screen. Remove the former original screen. Buckle the new screen on corresponding position. It is displayed that screen is connected on the platform. Tick all the data. Click Right Tick option. When it displays Verified successfully, it indicates that writing is finished. 3. Install and check. Install the new screen with well-written data. True tone can be displayed, repair is done.